Changes to data, how it's defined, how it moves, or how it's changed, can have unexpected consequences. This demonstration shows how ASG Data Intelligence can be used to plan for changes and avoid unsuspected impacts. Carol is a data steward for a global bank. She's mostly responsible for sales-related data and making sure it's accurately reflected in the enterprise glossary and data lineage reports. Her manager has told her that the German instance of the Salesforce environment will need changes, starting with the physical database, where the email address length needs to be increased from 80 to 100 characters. However, there's more than one email address field. The one Carol is interested in is the one shown as a critical data element and governed by the account context. Carol needs to know all of the data stores that the email address is found in. A data lineage report is a great way to get that information. Carol can see that the email address moves through several data stores. Each of them may be investigated, so Carol makes note of them to input into the project plan for the change. One other issue Carol wants to consider is whether there are any personal data implications. She drills into the email field and sees several detail tabs. One is the Personal Information tab. Carol notes that email address is personal information. She needs to make sure the Data Protection Office is on the list of people to be involved in this project. Knowing what data stores are affected is a good start, but Carol will also need to know what applications are impacted. She switches to the Data Lineage application view. Now she can see there are several operational and business intelligence systems that need to be taken care of. That's more information for Carol to add to the project plan. Lastly, Carol wants to know who else should be informed of the change. At this stage, she's only planning. She doesn't want to identify every user. She wants to know who else is involved in managing the email address. So she pulls up the term summary from the glossary. She can see Maria and Francis are going to need to know. She can now reach out to them, and together they can make sure the project doesn't generate any surprises. She can also see DPO, the Data Protection Office, is listed. She'll need to make sure the DPO team knows that a personal information item is being changed. Now Carol knows what data sets and applications are involved in the change and who needs to know. She's ready to move forward. This short demo has shown how ASG Data Intelligence can be used by data governance teams to plan successful data change projects and avoid unexpected results. To find out more, visit www.asg.com/dataintelligence.